Hi, today I'm here to talk about the giant rat glue board from Catchmaster. This glue board here is an extremely large size so that it will be effective to trap rats. It will still catch mice and insects as well. The way to use this is you peel off the safety paper from the top. As you can see, it is extremely sticky. There we go. Once this is off, the glue is exposed. They can come pre-baited and pre-scented to attract the rodents onto it, or you can get them unscented and use whatever lure or attractant that you like, depending what your target is. You can set them in areas like underneath cupboards or any area like this. It will work fine. It does also give you the option, though, if you look at the perforated lines, to fold it into a nice box. One reason that you might do this is to prevent any sort of debris from falling on it and making this, glue not as sticky. Another nice feature is that it does have the record keeper, so you know who set the trap, what date it was set, and what the intention is. So you can just leave it like that. You also are able to dispose of any sort of, caught target species by just picking it up and removing it. You don't have to physically touch the rodent. And that, again, is the giant rat trap by the Catchmaster.